Good morning, children, 10th class student. Let us begin our chapter that is globalization. We are going to today write the notes of globalization. So kindly be ready. Okay, children, write the heading globalization, economics, lesson 4, globalization. Introduction, integration of economies, integration of economies of different countries of different countries via foreign trade, comma, foreign investment or MNC in bracket write multinational corporations. Full stop. Bracket close, full stop. Globalization has been facilitated. Globalization has been facilitated by several factors. By several factors. Full stop. The important factors are the important factors are ABCD you may write, or you may put an arrow like this and then write on separate lines like this. First, improvement in technologies. Improvement in technologies. Second, liberalization of government policies. Liberalization of government policies. Second arrow. Third, pressure from WTO. Pressure from WTO in bracket write World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization. Bracket close. Next line, again put an arrow and write today, under the influence of globalization, comma, we find under the influence of globalization, we find a wide range of products. A wide range of products, comma, brands or electronic items and devices full stop. In few years, comma, our market has been transformed. Our market has been transformed. Full stop. Factors causing such change have affected the common people. Such change and effect on common people are, I'm repeating this line, please pay attention. Factors causing such change and effect on common people are, put two colons and a dash. Next subheading, first point right over there, production across countries. Production across countries. Earlier, earlier, international trade comprised of, international trade comprised of underdeveloped nations, underdeveloped nations exporting raw material, exporting raw material and primary products, and primary products and importing finished products, finished products, full stop. With the advent of MNC, with the advent of MNC, comma, international trade is also transformed. International trade is also transformed as, as MNC sets up its offices, as MNCs, apostrophe S to MNC, sets up its offices and factories for production, where cheap labor and profit, where cheap labor and profit is available, full stop. Example, MNC dealing with industrial equipment, MNC dealing, MNC dealing with industrial equipments, comma, design and research its product in USA, designs and research its product, in USA, comma, components are manufactured in China, components are manufactured in China, comma, shipped, SHIPPED, shipped to Mexico for assembling, shipped to Mexico for assembling, comma again, finishing touches are given in USA, finishing touches are given in USA and sold all over the world, and sold all over the world. Full stop. Next point for this topic only. Meanwhile, comma, customer care is carried out. Customer care is carried out through call centers, through call centers in India, in India. Full stop. Next point or next put an arrow and then write. In this example, in this example, MNC is not only selling, MNC is not only selling its goods globally, its goods globally, but also producing it globally, but also producing it globally, and the process is organized, and the process is organized in a complex manner, in a complex manner, full stop, spread all over the world, same point, spread all over the world, comma, utilizing China's cheap manufacturing process, utilizing China's cheap manufacturing process, comma, Mexico's proximity to US, Mexico's proximity, PROXIMITY to USA, comma, India's skilled engineers, India's skilled engineers and English speaking youngsters, and English speaking youngsters to solve after sale, after sale issues, full stop. Then again an arrow and next point. Thus, नितिन भैया ये वाला चालू कर लो प्लीज। ये तो आप किस में क्लास है? हाँ 9 की क्लास है ना फिर वो आएगा ना कंप्यूटर से आएगा फिनिश है कि कल तो कर लो हैं उसको चलो नहीं हम चालू कर दो उसको। Thus, MNC's advantage of spreading across the globe. Thus, MNC's advantage of spreading across the globe helps it to save 50-60% of its cost, which is of immense value. Which is of immense value, full stop. Next heading, write it down. Interlinking production across countries. Interlinking production across countries. Full stop. Today children will be doing it till here only because there was some network issue and we were supposed to start the class quite late. Okay, we were held up because there was no network. So we are going to end. Tomorrow we are going to continue with this chapter. Okay.